Hello students, good morning. Now in your previous period we learned that is about your computers used in various areas or in various fields. Now in that we learned that is your military. Military was your second topic, and first one topic which we learned that is your intelligent home. These were the two topics which we learned in your previous period. Now today we are going to start with your third point, that is known as your farming and animal husbandry. Farming and animal husbandry means what happens, as I told you, computer is becoming more and more vast in this recent times. Even though this textbook is an older version, still from that time, that is here from 5 to 6 years before onwards, the computer has taken such certain areas also, that is in your farming area. Now here I am going to show some example where our farming area is being used as a computer. That means many types of soils. That means, as you know, that each and every soil is different from each and every land. That means particular types of crops or vegetables will be grown in particular soil. So how to know that whether that particular crop is or a particular soil is suitable for that particular crop? For getting to know that, it's not possible and as a human to test all the soils. So what we used to do, take the help of computers, and these computers they test, and then after it gives the final result. So what kind of crops will be, or which kind of crops will be suitable for that particular soil. Okay, now here you can see these are your materials, how a soil can be tested. See, determines available nutrients in the soil and dosage of fertilizers for balanced crop nutrition, and it will checking the pH balance, OC, potassium, boron, magnesium, gypsum requirements, each and every things which is available in our nutrition, which is available in our soil, and that particular things will be differentiated by using these computers. See, these are certain machines where computers will be taking the help of, say, it is a weight balance, STFR meter. This is your pH and EC probe withstand. Shaker, where in this small box or a bottle, our this thing, that is a soil, will be kept, and then it starts shaking it. And waterable and vitamin, as you know that blood also, even for testing the blood also they used to shake it in a machine. The same way for testing the soil also, what they do, they start shaking it. This is a thermal printer where we will be getting the final output. Weight balance, glassware and plasticware. Chemical reagents. Okay, so in this way what happens, each and every soil will be determined by using the computer. This is the third area where our computer will be used. Next is about your vehicle industry. In vehicle also, as you know that we each and every models, or each and every cars or bikes or any kind of automobiles which use, okay, that won't be made or assembled by the human beings. It is whole thing is will be done by the robotics. Okay, so according to human beings, that means if we are doing the same process, that means there won't be accuracy. The accuracy means the perfection won't be there. But according to that, instead of us, if the computer starts doing the same thing, what happens, accuracy will be maintained. For maintaining that particular accuracy, what we used to do, we are using the help of computer. And here is the example or a video which shows our computers which is used in your vehicle industries. Now You can see this is a car, bikes and car which is made by using the computers. See each and every part, for making each and every part they are using the help of computer. Now he is going to test it. See, the whole process is just here, use the computer only. They are trying to make a suspension by using this. This is engine which has been made by using the computer. Now it is checking each and every hose which it should be checked precisely. For checking it in a precise way, they are using the computer. See, robots are being used. Now it's not possible to lift such a heavy parts by an human being. So for lifting or for transporting such things or heavy process, computers are being used instead of human beings. Just imagine. So these are your such small things which is done by the humans, but still testing and accuracy is made by the computer only. So he's trying to check each and every holes, that means your height and width or radius of that particular hole. Now he is trying to monitor by using the computer. He is monitoring it. In this way, computers are being used in your vehicle industry also. Okay, so I hope you all understood. The thing is that underline, Google has succeeded in introducing the Google driverless car. Google driverless car. Now, what do you mean by driverless car? The driverless car means the automatic, fully automatic car. Fully automatic car means normally when we are trying to ride a car. Okay, so what we used to do, we used to keep our hand on handle. That means each and every car's control will be under us. But fully automatic car means what happens? Each and everything, that means the driver doesn't need to do anything. He have to sit there idly and see it automatically. If any barriers comes in front of the particular car, it automatically stops there. It takes the turns. That means only thing is that we have to just give the location from where to till which point. That means the destination point we have to select it. Automatically after selecting the destination point, our car will be taking towards that particular destination point, and this is known as your driverless car. And right now we are using the driverless car in Tesla models. Okay, Tesla is a particular car manufacturing company where they are giving the fully automatic cars, driverless car. Okay, so that also I can show you example right now. Now here you can see this is a fully automatically self-driving Tesla car, and here what he has done, the car has been asked whether this line has to be followed. So what he has done, he has done the OK button by using this button below that has been done, permission has been given. Now what happens, now you can see the car is driving automatically. He is not using his hand for taking any kind of turns or curves which comes in between. He's just holding his hand just for his comfortability. That's it. rest of the things the car is being doing. Now you can see over here on the right side, this is a GPS navigation. That means he has given the destination till which area he wants to get there. So according to that, this car is being going. Now another feature of this car is that this is fully electric car vehicle. Electric, that means EV vehicle. EV, that means your electric vehicle. Now he is trying to change a lane. Okay, by pressing this lever which is below that particular steering. See, now he is not using any kind of gestures. Automatically the car is moving, or according to that his car is controlling his speed. Why? Because the car is having all about, that is a 360 sensors is being attached, so that it doesn't get collide with this another car. Automatically, if this car, there is a front moving car, stops, this car also brakes automatically, and which is the reason of the particular safety of that particular driver. Now this is the rare view, where if someone is trying to come from behind, we can view from the camera also. This is in your computer. This is all, the whole thing is done in your computer. Another area where we are using these computers are being used in hospitals. As you know that whenever we any operations or any surgeries are being performed, it's not possible to get a clear precision by the human beings or doctors. So what they usually use the computers. The special thing is that, for the best example is that for your MRI scan, ECG scan, okay, such X-ray scan, such types of scanners, why we are using the use of computers, the thing is that it automatically scans the whole body and detects what kind of problem is there, internal problem is that this which can be detected by the use of computers. And this is the best example of your computer controlled things which is used in your hospitals. And next is about your outer space expedition and disaster management. That means, as you know that many kinds of robots, that is your satellites or rockets are being launched each and every year by Indians also. Okay, see, that is your ISRO. Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2 has been used, Mangalyaan has been launched. Okay, such type of rockets which is used for moon mission, okay, or Mars mission. So for going there, what we are using the computers. And you have seen that Mangalyaan, the movie also, they are using the supercomputers for controlling the huge rocket. Just imagine, the whole rocket has been controlled by just one click. If something failure happens to your computer, automatically the connection between the computer as well as the rocket will be lost. And this is the only reason the first our mission has been failed. The second time again the Mangalyaan mission has been done, but and this is also controlled by the web computer. Now next is about your entertainment. In entertainment industry also, but as you know that many AI intelligence means your artificial intelligence has been used. And the best example of artificial intelligence is your sensor. When we are playing any games, as you know that if by tilting the phone, automatically our games will be working. Okay, and the best example I can show you right now. See, this is a best example of a AI. Now you can see these robots are working according to the gestures. So these gestures are being preloaded or pre-installed in the computer, and with that instructions which is already installed. So according to that, it is working. This is the best example of your AI. Now this is the second best example of your AI. You can see VR has been used, and according to that, you can see virtual things are being used. That means imaginary. See, now he is trying to pick some blocks. So this blocks is not a real one. It is just using virtual things which is in a subconscious mind. See, whatever actions he is doing right now over here, and that particular action is being recorded or done in your computer. This is here just for your interior purpose, and you use it, as you know that this interior designing, this is also done by using the AI also right now in today's days. It is also used in your computer. And now see, you can see she is trying to uh, do the coding for this robot. So automatically it will be working. This robot will be working according to the gestures or commands. Now you can see the moving of this particular robot. Can you see? Actually, audio is also there, but right now I'm not able to show you, give you audio. So you can see this robot is trying to handshake with this human being. So according to the questions which is asked by this person, this will be replied by the robots. Okay, this is also the best example of your artificial intelligence. The full form, that is a short form of artificial intelligence is your AI. Okay, this is used in entertainment purpose. So these are the areas in which our computers can be used. The first one, as you know, that intelligent home. Second is your military applications, and third one is your farming and animal husbandry. Fourth one is your vehicle industry. Fifth one is your hospitals. Okay, and sixth one that is your outer space expedition, which is known as your for going for Mars mission or moon mission. Such type of missions can be used. And last one is your for your entertainment purpose. That is especially that is your used for AI. The full form of AI is your artificial intelligence. I want you to write this in your notebook. That is your full form of AI. That is your artificial intelligence. I hope you all understood today's topic. In this way, this topic has been completed. Thank you, students.